Now this is the moment of truth. Harang iyata gyud ako. Oh, mahayang ako ani sa akin. Ato di lingkuran guys kay isa. Kita ba ni ako ang bugar ani guys? It's so difficult to Taran! Oh, you don't I'm not tricking you, ha? Believe it or not, I'm not a kind of person who lie and say and do something that is fake. But this is real. I didn't do anything. I didn't do trick or whatever. I just want to prove that it's true. So many people comment on my thing that this is real. There is water in the banana. Because yesterday it was high, I put it here, so it's too high to reach the water. So now I'm going to I'm going to show you. Hi Marie. Hi Asi. Waiting. Okay, I will turn the camera. Okay. Okay. I will. Oh, it's too difficult. I hope it will not fall. Okay. When my braso. Oh, there is my braso. Luwag. They said that this is herbal. So I didn't trick anyone. I didn't kuan this one enhance or whatever. Pero I just want to prove because I cannot stop when I cannot prove it myself. Do I the juice? Oh, see? Oh, nalagi tubig, guys. Oh, grabe na ito big. Ay. So, tagay. Ano yung burat buling? Tagay. Wow. Oh, ay, nayabo. Tagay, guys. Tagay. Thank you, Lord. You help me. You help me to prove na naadoy tubig. Wala din na masud, guys. Kaya na po akong luwag. Ay, ha. The luwag is too big and my hole is too small. Finally, there is. Oh. Yay, I need mag-uba man akong luwag ako rin tukson. You see guys, there is water talaga. See amigos, amigas. Oh, I will go get my other cell phone. See amigas. Oh, there. There is really water, oh. So I'm not tricking anyone, oh. Apil si Ma'am Loina Palmores sa akong kabuang diri ma'am, oh. Nadyo tubig di ay lagi ma'am binuang nga hapon kay isa long high maguto akong iputol mga half ato bala tayo layo kayo pastiya. So diri ako nang iputol dool. So gapainit gyud akong bugan diri kay aron jung ma-prove nako na naadyo tubig. So ingon sila herbal kuno ni pero even if it's not herbal, I like to drink kay you know the best distilled water in the world like the coconut. Imagine ngano nakakuha og tubig. Oh, nalayo na akong isa ka camera. So now I must taste it. So I don't know, sound ako ni pagbali. Oh, I will drink now, ha. I will drink. Oh, imagine. Oh, saan na po na ako pag-drink. So hintayin niyo mag-drink ako, guys. Kumbok ko ani ron. Jesus, pero ayoko ninyo buyagihan. This is just my invention. It looks like tuba, guys. Oh, tuba. It looks like the white tuba dito without tungog. Saan na ba nila ako pagbalik? Isa di paningot na akong angkang, guys. Hi, Day Chirilin. Hi, Ma Rosario naraga. Nagiring na ko diri ba? Nagdaamuro siya sa sabaw sa butong mag o tuba. So, mubalis ako. Ay, bali. Cheers! Di ako sa init kayo. Cheers! Oh, it's like coconut water. It's white or it's like tuba. White water. Diyos na mahal, Diyos na anak, Diyos ka Espiritu Santo. There is no taste, guys. It's like blunt lang siya, pero di sweet, di food parat, di food bitter, di food just ordinary water lang, pero it's I think that's color whitish kay the banana is white man siguro. Cheers! This is tuba from the banana. pa sa kapitsir, guys. So it's true talaga, guys. Oh, the water in banana is real, char. So now I prove it that there is water. Inita na gid, guys. Inita na ko mulando. Mukha sa kong silong sa ako. So let's drink. It looks like banana. It looks like tuba, whitish. And it also look like coconut water. But no taste at all. Ihawin na to, guys. So now I'm happy that I proved it that there is already water. Shout out to all my fans, the one who commented on my previous vlog or reels na there is really water. So thank you kay na-prove sa ninyo. Pero me yesterday, I cut the banana a bit high. It's like 5 feet ang height ato, so there is no water. Now it's like 1 feet from the ground. So now I have it, but I will drink it all kay they said it's herbal. But for me, I'm into for the herbal. Kay when I studied pharmacy, no, masur ko na po. When I studied pharmacy, we studied different kinds of plants. So this is real water, still. I imagine they are filtered from the ground. Oh, hi ma'am. Herbal ko no ni siya lagi ma'am, murag tuba siya ma'am o puti. Oh, inom ko bahalag mahubog ko ani. No taste of the bitterness. Wala siya pait, dili pud siya tamis, dili pud siya tabang. Mura ra siya na igamay nga taste bitaw sa iyang rubbery bitaw kabantay ka na magluto pag puso nga mo na murag rubber. So it's like the taste of the banana flower ang taste sa water. It's milky. Napa siya, guys. Oh, I will get another because my luwag is too kuan, my luwag is too big, oh. I'm afraid to destroy my luwag. I will use another thing to get. I like the water. No, in fairness, the water is good. There's another video there. So, cheers. Cheers, guys. Panigot na tiguang mo. Panigot na. So, I'll show you my banana guys. That's my banana. That's my banana yesterday. This is the water of my banana. O, biyaan sa kanako diha banana ha. Dara. And this is my banana already. Oh, imagine. Oh, that's my banana na. That's my banana na. And that's my water. Milky water. See? Okay, thanks for watching.